Good evening, everyone, and happy 4th of July. I decided I would do a recording session instead of live, as I'm pretty sure you all are busy with 4th of July, spending time with your family. Let's do this market analysis real quick. Let's begin with SPY. SPY, we closed above our resistance on Friday, above 380.50 level. The next resistance we have around is 383.20. And then right above that, it's going to go directly to 389.80 area, right about here. So we have a lot of room to upside if market can cooperate here. And we'll see a nice push going into the ER season. But below 380, it's a short again. So make sure you keep your stops tight. So your key number is 380.50. Qs are looking pretty good as well. Looks like they have much more room to the upside than SPY currently. It did not close even close to 9 EMA on Friday. So we are hoping to see tomorrow if we can break through this 285 resistance we have right here. That is going to be our big resistance. As you can see, we are not able to get and close above that. We have victed a couple times, but we did not close above that. Your support as of now is at 280 on Qs. That is your tech world. So between 280 and 285, it might just dance around here. So about 285, this is headed to 293. Amazon is looking really nice as well over here. It is right at this 9 EMA and right at our resistance around 109 area. Right above that, we have resistance at 112.65. If it can go over there, I will possibly try and short very small amount to see if it can, have a small pullback if it opens there tomorrow. But if not, then if it opens below 109, it's still a short. So keep an eye on this one. Your key numbers are 109 and 112.65. Tesla delivery numbers came out this weekend, which were below expectations. So I personally think this might be, if Tesla opens up red, I think this might be the buy the dip opportunity for Tesla going into the ER season. So I will be closely watching 680 level on this one. If we open around there, or if we open below that 655 level, I would expect a bounce over there. But if 650 breaks, it's going to invalidate everything and it's going to head back down to 620. 620 is your major support level for Tesla. Below 620, it is headed to 500s easily. But keep an eye on 650 level. Breaks that, you can buy 620 puts for the weeklies. But above 700, I'm super bullish on Tesla. I'm pretty sure you'll see 750 and close to, 760 and above. Google is holding on to this trend line right here. I really wanted to see the close above 2170, and we got that on Friday. And now tomorrow, so far the futures are looking green. So hopefully we open above 2170. I think this will have a nice push all the way up to 2220 area. But if for some reason we open red, I would be watching this area right here, this trend line, to bounce off of this and go up. But if it breaks 2135 area, I will be short on Google. Baba, I feel it's the strongest right now. I want to see, even while we were dipping on Friday earlier in the day, Baba was holding on very tight to this 113 level. We did get into this position. We are swinging overnight. But I still like this one. The major resistance for Baba is going to be around 121.50 to 122 area, which is your 200 SMA on daily. That is your purple line right here. Above that, I see 127.75 area on Baba. So keep an eye on 122. For Baba, or if we dip around 113, I think it will be buy the dip again on this one. But below, if it breaks below 113, I'm short on Baba all the way down to 109. Costco is showing some strength right here. It is having some hard time here getting through and closing above 50 SMA, which is your thick blue line right here. And that's why I have a trade idea on cost. Above 487.80, I'll buy 500 calls for July 15th, but I'll be a short below 485. I think this has a lot of room to the upside if it can get above one more time above 487.80. I really like this one, and Costco is a silent mover. So keep a close eye on this one. It can make you really good money. The other trade idea I have for you guys for this week is OCTA. OCTA is looking like a cup and handle right here. It has been having a really hard time getting through above this 50 SMA. But it is trying to push here. I see the volume increasing slowly. So tomorrow we might get some kind of confirmation on this one. But if we get, if we can get past through this 97.50 area on OCTA, I will buy 100 calls for July 15th with a stop of 20%. So if we break below this line again, which is your 50 SMA around 90, I'm going to say it's going to be around 97 tomorrow. So if it breaks below that again, it might consolidate here for 1 or 2 more days into this handle and then break through. But if market cooperates tomorrow, we might see a nice push on this one. So keep an eye on this one, but I will short this one if it breaks 95. The other trade idea I have for you guys is FedEx. FedEx had a nice pullback after breaking above all the SMAs. I think it's just coming back here to retest them. So if we get a pullback around, I'm going to say 215 to 217 area, anywhere close to that, I will pick up some calls on this 2 weeks out with a stop below the 50 SMA, which is right here. It should be around 214 to 215 roughly tomorrow. The other one trying to bang its head above this resistance, close to resistance, is Home Depot. Home Depot is trying to knock at this resistance. It's a really big one. So if it can get past through this 281 zone, I think we would see a nice $10 move on Home Depot. So the first stop being at 284.50 and then 290, but stay short below 280. The other one looks really, really nice and strong, and above all the SMAs is McDonald's. McDonald's looking really sharp here. It is trying to break through this resistance, but I believe, I think it's going to come back and retest this area. So if you get a morning dip around 249, I think this would be a nice buy with a stop, with a 20% stop on this one. The risk reward is really high, and these small plays can pay really well. So I'm going to buy around 249 if I get a chance on McDonald's. I'll probably buy 255 calls for July 15th. So these are the trade ideas I have for you this week. If you guys have any questions, I will post this recorded link on Twitter, and you can post your questions right below that. And I'll try my best to get to you as soon as possible. You guys have a happy 4th of July, and I'll see you all tomorrow.